How to track my daughter's Android location. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how to track your daughter's Android location. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, either on your phone or computer, you could go to Google, find my device, and after that you could log in into her Google account credential. So open up Google in your device, and in the search bar you could search for Google Find My Device. Navigate to the first link on your interface. There you have to log in into her Google account credentials. Then you can see her live location, battery level, and Wi-Fi connection as well. But this method will work only if her device is turned on and if the device is connected to the internet and the location is enabled. So this way also you will find your daughter's location. And in case if that does not help you, then you could also use Google's Family Link. For that, on your mobile device you have to install Google Family Link for parents, and on her phone or on your daughter's phones you have to install Family Link for children and teens. Now once the installation is complete, in order to set up the application, follow the on-screen instructions to link her Google account to yours and approve the necessary permissions. Once done with that, all you could do is track her location. For that, open up the Family Link application on your phone, tap her profile, tap location, and you will see her real-time location on the map. So that is also another way to track your daughter's Android location. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.